Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can use a My Social Security account to apply for a replacement Social Security card online if you are a U.S. citizen age 18 or older with a U.S. mailing address. This includes APO, FPO, and DPO addresses, are not requesting a name change or any other change to your card, and
Let's help you make your mark.
the public can get an instant verification letter online with a personal My Social Security account, or they may continue to call us toll-free to request a letter by mail. Our local offices will continue to assist members of the community.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your Social Security card or number (SSN) is lost or stolen, you should immediately contact your local police department and the Social Security Administration. Call toll-free 1-800-772-1213 to let them know about the incident. 14 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
About 2 weeks. It typically takes about 2 weeks between the time you report the loss to having a new Social Security card in your hand. Even better news, replacing a lost or stolen Social Security card is free. The Social Security Administration outlines 3 basic steps. Learn what documents you need.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.